Click, clack, ding. Meet the timeless elegance of the typewriter, the once ubiquitous writing tool that profoundly changed how we communicate. Born in the late 19th century, it introduced a new level of efficiency and formality to written communication, paving the way for the keyboards we use today. Its standout feature was the mechanical keystroke that directly imprinted ink on paper, providing a tactile satisfaction that many still yearn for. Beyond nostalgia, the typewriter indirectly influenced today's computer keyboards and text editors, even inspiring the creation of the QWERTY layout. Can you imagine crafting your next great novel, one key at a time? Let us know what retro tech you want us to feature next, and don't forget to subscribe for more nostalgic dives.